कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Halo ka jing baki pat ba ki kendu hagi than khaput usembut menteri rang ba ka jelau ba presiden tensong la pentem ba ka jing kran haprengki Ngut ki menteri rang ba jong ka Assam bat Meghalaya ki ju kran kumba ar ne lai sien hakashi teo habai kran mikla pathai khubor hadin balawa ke yeng darbar uba presiden ulaong hakabaya dei ba ka than block 1 bat block 2 nakliang jong ka Assam ka dei hapo ka jing pet jong ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council hendrei wat la ka taru menteri rang ba ka Assam ula Kular ban Tuklar lang.
Because see, the reality is in the spot. And let me just tell you one thing. I think this is manhandling or the the high-handedness towards the public. Even that also, I'm telling you, it is subject to verification. You cannot just blindly say that. Because see, the talk between CM of Meghalaya and CM of Assam is almost twice or thrice a week. Okay, almost twice or thrice in a week. Where what they do, they share even the small issues like that subject where the MLA, honorable MLA from from Mahati brought in. These issues has been discussed with the counterpart, and not only that, even in the level of the district administration, both sides they keep talking about it, and the real issue here is especially when you talk about block 1, block 2, because see, block 1, block 2 again, the whole administration falls within the district council. It is with the Karbi Anglong district council. It is not that the entire small issues learned or known by the state government. In their level, they did, and then CM has already clarified also. He has already replied that even for this particular instant case, what happened was the district council ranger, he went to court. Okay, they filed this issue in the court, and then ultimately the court took cognizance of it. In fact, it is not the state government of Assam who did it. This has been done by the district council, by the autonomous council of Karbi Anglong. So while discussing between CM Assam and CM Meghalaya, CM Assam, he said he will also intervene with the district council concerned, and if possible, if they can withdraw the case, I think that is the best step to carry forward in the because we are in the midst of discussion, negotiation, and talks is still on.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center